So Jai Shri Gurudev. So my dear students, so in last class we already explained about the introduction about the second order derivative. Okay. So in next this video exercise 5.7. So I would explain the problem related to the exercise 5.7. This exercise is very important for the 5 marks question. Okay. So in your main examination, sure they will ask from this concept only. Second order derivative 5 marks question. So many problems are there. Last one but all problems are very important. So you can give AB the proposal. If big problem is there, you can give a single problem for the 5 marks question. 5 marks question concept. This is very important for the main examination, my dear students. This is one of the important question in your life. Second PUC students. Okay, please listen here. So first question. So one by one neat it will be very useful for you. Okay. See, find the second order derivative of the following functions given below. Okay. So I have to find the second order derivative. Already told in last class what is the second order means 2 times differentiation. That's it. Very simple. 2 times. First time differentiation already so many problems done now. One time differentiation so many problems done. Here 2 times again you have to differentiate second time. That is called the second order derivative. Okay. 2 times differentiation. How to do the second 2 times differentiation? See, x square plus 3x plus 2 now. So d by dx of. So let us consider if any function is given. Let us consider y. Y is equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. Differentiate. So differentiate. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x. Okay na? So dy by dx is equals to d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay. So d by dx of x square is what? You know the d by dx of x square 2x. D by dx of 3x 3. D by dx of 2 0. Don't write plus 0. Okay. So this is dy by dx. One time differentiation. Next, another time you have to differentiate. Matte differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ? differentiate. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x again. Okay. With respect to x again. Okay na? So my dear students, like that we have to simplify now. So again dy by dx. So dy by dx of dy by dx is equal to, so dy by dx of 2x plus 3. D by dx of 2x plus 3. Okay, now simplify. What is d by dx of dy by dx? D by dx of dy by dx is nothing but d square y by dx square is equal to d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. Already told in previous class. So d by dx of 2x 2. D by dx of 3 0. So this is the answer. This is called the second order derivative. Okay na? Very easy now. See, just easy again. Next, second problem. So what is the second problem is x to the power of 20. X to the power of 20. Let us consider y. I am putting a problem here. Myself I am considering y. You know direct dy by dx is the mark. Okay. Direct ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ y ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. now differentiate okay, differentiate with respect to x. okay na, with respect to x. y ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ dy by dx is equals to dy by dx of x to the power of 20. d by dx of x to the power of 20. So x to the power of 20 can be written as how? X to the power of n formula. No, d by dx of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus x to the power of 20. Very easy problem. So what is the answer? 20 x to the power of 90. One kadme bari. You know n minus 1. 20 minus 1 9. Over. Very easy. Next, differentiate this one again. So dy by dx this one. Differentiate with respect to x again. Okay, with respect to x again. Mother difference in one. Direct everything. D square by dx square. No need to write again and again. So that's why d square by dx square is equals to d by dx of dy by dx. D by dx of dy by dx is nothing but d square by dx square. This is called the second order derivative. So this is a notation. How to denote means like that we have to notate. Now so d by dx of 20x to the power of 90. Okay. So 20 is constant now. 20 is a constant. Write down 20 like that. So make it out. So x to the power of n formula again. X to the power of 19. Tell me what is the answer for x to the power of 19? 19 x to the power of 18. 19 minus 1. 19 minus 1 is what? 18. So like that. So like that we have. So like that we have to simplify. My dear students, see. So multiply it. Okay. 19 2s are 38. So 38 0 380 0 is there. 380 x to the power of 18. Easy problem now. So this is called the second derivative. Second order derivative of x to the power of 20. X to the power of 20 is that. Otherwise lengthy ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ dy by dx ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ dy by dx ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇ one procedure. I am doing the procedure, that's it. So if you doing like this means, so it is systematic order. So systematic order, you can easily calculate the systematic order. Okay. Next, question number 3. X into cos x. See my dear students, this is the fourth question. Y equals to log x and third question y cos x. Okay. So first I will do cos x. Sorry, log x. Y equals to log x. Easy problem, no? That's why. Practice ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ y equals to log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Same. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು. Okay. Next d by dx of what? Log x. Okay. You know the formula. Very easy formula. D by dx of log x. Familiar one. Very easy one. What is the log x? D by dx of log x. 1 by x. Very good. 1 by x. Next differentiate with respect to x again. D by dx of dy by dx equals to d by dx of 1 by x. Okay. So d by dx of dy by dx. D by dx of. So d by dx of differentiate with respect to x again. ಮತ್ತೆ differentiation ಮಾಡೋಣ second time. Okay. D by dx of dy by dx into d by dx of 1 by x. D by dx of 1 by x. Okay. So d by dx of dy by dx is nothing but d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. So d by dx of 1 by x formula is there. That is also direct formula is there. What is 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. Very familiar one. So if you don't know, means learn this one. This formula is very important. D by dx of 1 by x. Tell me what is the formula? Minus 1 by x square. If d by dx of 1 by x square is technically you can see. So d by dx of 1 by x square is equal. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ಈ 2 ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ -2 by x to the power of 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x to the power of 2 ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x to the power of -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x to the power of -2 we can calculate x to the power of n ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ x to the power of 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್ 1 by x to the power of 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. -3 into x to the power of what? 4 x to the power of 9. X to the power of 5 is there means -5 divided by x to the power of 6 9. Understood the technique? Okay. If any problems given like this 1 divided by x to the power of something, you have to do minus ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಈ ಥರ. Okay. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ is given ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ x to the power of positive integer. Okay. Positive number only integer. Okay. Very easy problem. Completed. D by dx of 1 by x is what? D by dx of 1 by x is what? -1 by x square. -1 by x square. Over. Next we move to the question number 3. See. Y x cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of what? Dy by dx equals to d by dx of x cos x, okay. So x ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರೀರಿ. uv formula f of x into g of x, multiplication of two functions now ಆತರ x into d by dx of cos x plus d by dx of cos x plus cos x into d by dx of x, d by dx of x. First function ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So I am writing the first function same, second function differentiation ulta, second function I am writing same, first function differentiation. Easy ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ, very easy. Okay, this much of easy, you won't face anything. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now tell me, simplify it. x d by dx of cos x is what? D by dx of cos x minus sin x plus cos x so d by dx cancel ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1. very easy problem. So problem is over. So now tell me what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to minus first one minus x into sin x minus ಮಾಡಿ first subtract. This is not a subtraction, multiplication. X into minus sin x equals to minus x sin x plus cos x. So this is the procedure. Okay, so my dear students, again ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ with respect to x again. Okay, with respect to x again ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ again dy by dx of dy by dx will become what? d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square is equals to d by dx of this one, d by dx of minus x sin x, okay, plus d by dx of minus x sin x, d by dx of cos x. This is cos x, d by dx of cos x. Okay, and now we simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ is equals to again uv formula ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು u minus x consider as u first function, sin x consider as second function. minus x into d by dx of sin x plus ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ sin x into d by dx of x, d by dx of minus x. Okay, very easy ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಜಿ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾವು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ dy by dx of cos x is what? plus dy by dx of cos x minus sin x, so minus sin x. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಸೊ minus x into d by dx of sin x is what? d by dx of sin x cos x plus sin x. Okay, d by dx of minus x is what? minus 1. d by dx of minus x ಗೆ minus ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ dx by dx ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಸೊ minus 1. Okay, minus 1 is the answer. So minus sin x. Okay, now again simplify. So minus x cos x, so minus 1 into sin x minus sin x into minus sin x. Okay, so this is the last answer, that's it. minus x cos x minus sin x minus 2 sin x. So this is the final answer. This is somewhat difficult ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂಗ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. uv ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ f of x into g of x ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸಿ, understood or not? Some students feeling not visible, that's why. Okay, I am doing like this. So my dear students, like that you can differentiate two differences. So therefore second order derivative of x cos x is nothing but that is answer minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. Okay, this is the third one, already done fourth one. Okay, next we will move to the fifth one. See, so y is equals to x cubed into log x. See how to do this one. Differentiate with respect to x first time. Okay na, my dear student, d by dx of x cubed into log x. Okay, d by dx of x cubed into log x. Okay, so this is first function, this is second function. U into v, f of x into g of x. First function keep it same only, second function differentiation plus second function keep it same only, first function differentiation. Like that you have to simplify. Okay na, how to do this one? See, x cubed into first function same, second function differentiation log x plus so log x into first function differentiation x cubed. Okay, so like that we have to simplify. Okay, simplified x cubed only, d by dx of log x, 1 by x formula is there, 1 by x plus log x into d by dx of x cubed 3x square, d by dx of x cubed 3x square, simplified. So therefore 1x cancel now, x square plus 3x square, write out first, 3x square into log x. So this is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, this is nothing but the dy by dx. dy by dx itara. Next problem. dy by dx equals to x square plus 3x square into log x. Okay, so I will simplify my again differentiate. Again I will write here itself. Differentiate with respect to x again, second time. With respect to x again, 2 times difference. Okay, so d by dx of dy by dx is equals to d by dx of this whole thing. So d by dx of x square plus 3x square into log x. 3x square into log x. Okay na? So this is the procedure. Separate ಮಾಡಿ. d by dx of x square plus d by dx of what? So separate. So d by dx of dy by dx is nothing but what? d square y by dx square is equals to, so like this. Okay na? Now you tell me what is the answer. So d by dx of x square is equals to what? 2x, d by dx of x square 2x, and this is again first function to second function uv f of x into g of x, like that. Okay na, adha so first function write down same only 3x square. Okay, 3x square, second function d by dx of second function plus second function same log x into d by dx of first function 3x square. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, very easy problem. Okay, 2x plus 3x square into d by dx of log x, familiar formula is there now, 1 by x plus log x okay, log x into d by dx of 3x square. How to do this one? General ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್. So 3x square 3y 3x cube see constant into x to the power of n formula ಇದ್ರೆ easy technique ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. How to do fast means, so 2 into 3, 2 3s are what? 2 3s are 6. So 6 x to the power of 2 minus 1, so x 6x like that. So this is the technique. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ x square means 2x 3 2 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 6x ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. direct so length that's why you can directly simplify. 1x cancel so therefore 2x plus 3x 1x cancel 1x cancel plus 6x into log x 6x into log x. Okay, now simplify. 2x plus 3x equals to what? 5x plus 6x into log x. So this is the answer. Very easy problem now. It's easy problem. Okay, so but you have to do procedure prakara madidre very easy problems. Okay my dear students, you have to do like this. Okay, so if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means comment below this video, otherwise through WhatsApp you can ask. Thank you my dear students.